Me Studios has been on a roll these last couple of years, creating over 6,000 personalization apps for the Google Play Store. They've covered everything from live wallpaper apps to launchers and lockers. One of their most popular apps, Redraw Keyboard, has been downloaded 3 million times in just 3 months since launch. Not too shabby, right? Redraw Keyboard is a third-party keyboard that turns your Android phone into a device that fits your style. You can start by customizing your background to fit your personality. From there, everything is according to your taste, including your choice of font, color, or sounds. And you can choose from numerous themes, wallpapers, emojis, and stickers. But the customization doesn't stop there. Do you want to text a friend in another language? The app translates for you as you type. Do you want to use gesture typing? You can do that too. The point is, it's your keyboard set up with your preferences. But Redraw is so much more than a keyboard. There's a gamification aspect to it as well. You can rack up coins and trophies based on how much you use it and other in-app behaviors. Redraw Keyboard is free for Android devices. Head to the Google Play Store to download it today.